Hey guys, this is my brand new Numatic Henry HVR200. So this is my new pneumatic vacuum. It's like just tape on the wire and it's like broken suction tube. Here's a little brush, and then the main vacuuming tool. I could vacuum under there because it's like loads of there's like loads of stuff. Looks like Henry for that job. So like when I first got it, it was full of dust inside. So just show you inside of it. Like, here's the bag. That's what's inside there. It wasn't like that when I got it. When I got it, there was like actual piles of dust in there, and it still sounds a bit dusty now. And I think it is in the motor as well. Just getting it round. That on there. Right. I'm gonna turn it off. Oh. There. So like when hearing this, the motor does have a bit of dust in, so that's probably what's gonna sound not quite right. It's like it's got a long shutdown, it makes this weird sound at the end. So I'm gonna get the motor out, then just clean it, as it's probably got a dusty motor. And there's my peak traffic lights. So this was my Numatic Henry HVR200.